So I'm putting on the last couple, this last piece here actually. This is our foam rock. I'm gonna just put a couple of brads in there to hold the glue. It's gonna get chinking around it. There, okay, so I just wanted folks to see this. This is our, what we call our foam rock. I'm going to now, in a little bit, start doing a mache work on these corners. The rest is pretty much ready to go for chinking when I get that done. So we'll do that step by step and give you folks an idea how this product works, how it looks when it gets done. And pretty excited about the product. It's amazing, lightweight. It lays up like conventional stone in the sense of patterning it. You can go around anything, fit it around anything, put it on any substrate. You don't have to build up engineer walls with lath or with reinforcement to carry the weight of stone. You get the look, but without all the cost and without all the weight. All right, now as you can see, I've been jointing the corners where we had to cut the rock and create a like a joint basically. This is a rock, what we call a rock mache. It's extremely hard and sticks extremely well. Not just kinda, it really sticks well to this product of the foam rock here. So I'm just going to go in here and finalize these few places as I had flipped this over upside down to do it, to do some of the rocks up towards the top, and now it's back right side up the way it should be when it won't get installed, and we'll do that. So I'm just gonna wrap these few stones up, but I wanted to show how this was done and the procedure. So now after I get this done, I'm going to let this dry overnight, this mache. Tomorrow morning I will prime the area that I macheed with a gray primer we call rock panel gray, and it will prep the surface to receive my final paint match. I'll come in here with a brush and match these colors to the existing stone, which is pretty easy to do. And then we're ready to do the joints between the stones. So here we are in the final stages of getting this finished up. The rock has been jointed. It's been the mache's been built up, and now it's been primed also. And now we're just at the stage of finishing out those corners by matching the paint and getting that painted out, and then the chinking part of this project, the end of it, is coming up, and that completes the entire chimney project that we're doing here. So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit how we match that color. So get a little bit of color on there. There we go. This is kind of fun. You gotta go back and try to match up the color you had from before. And so you just gotta kind of look at it, figure out what it is you did, and then go back in there and basically recreate that color to match the stone that you already have. It's actually pretty easy to do after you've done it a while. The log cabin type industry where they build log cabins and they use this material as a sealer between logs. Typically in the past, this material was made just by mixing up normal brick mortar, stuffing the joint with various types of things, wool, sometimes other items that they'd find to stuff the joint. But as time went by, they made this product, which is elastic. It seals that off and lasts many years. It works outside as well as inside. But we use it basically as a final way of creating the mortar joint look. Comes in a very believable grade, has grit in it. So when it's done, again, it really gives off the appearance of being authentic mortar. And now I have to go with a small brush here, one of these sponge brushes, and just very carefully start to work this material close to the stone to create the joint without trying to smear up the stone. And that's it's very easy. I shouldn't say it's easy, it's very doable. However, it is tedious. It's not a very fast process to do this. A chink joint on a log is a little more uniform in that it stays pretty much the same size through the length of the log. There's some variance there, but you can move along a little faster doing the jointing there. Here, you got curves, and it gets tight, it opens back up. You get all sorts of different things that happen to create the challenge of trying to get that nice tight look of the joint, make it look authentic and yet not smear up your stone. So as we get going or finish up here, we will show you the finished product of this chimney that we've been working on, how it looks when it's completely done, and give you a chance to see the work in its completion. So here we are, we got the fireplace chase all finished up. It'll get installed here now next week in the job site, and we'll get some images of it. But I just wanted to show everybody what it looks like when it gets all done and chinked, and how this product looks as a completed project.